Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? As you can see, I'm prepped and ready for an install, honey. I'm not gonna do a bald cap today. I just went ahead and popped on my little wig cap so we can go ahead and get into it. Today's video is sponsored by WOWAFRICAN. They sent me over this thick, deep curly HD lace glueless bob wig in 12 inches, 200% density. She comes with pre-cut lace, pre-plucked knots, a glueless wig cap. She's very much so giving. I'm really excited to wear this wig because I've been feeling the short curly bobs lately. It's giving very demure, it's giving sweet, it's giving, you know, a little mango habanero vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It's like sexy and sweet at the same time, and I have really been feeling it. It's giving grown. I don't know. I'm a fan. And the curls on this wig are delectable. So pretty. So I literally just popped her on and immediately it was giving. I'm not gonna lie, immediately it was giving. I went ahead and just popped her on and I brushed back the edges to make sure that like everything was laying in place, but I was mighty impressed. The knots were bleached to perfection, the lace is super good quality, and they pre-plucked Miss Mama's to smithereens. So literally all I had to do was just apply a little bit of product. I'm using the Kiss melting spray. It comes in a silver can and I'm just spraying that onto a little card and applying it with a small brush right along the edge of the lace to get everything nice and melted without providing too much hold, because I didn't wear this wig for long at all. It comes in the middle part and I'm gonna be honest, I'm already feeling it. I'm feeling a transformation. I'm already seeing where this is going between the curls and the way that the hair is falling. I'm into it. So I let my melting band sit on my head for a few minutes to let everything, you know, get nice and melted and blended and laid. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my bronzer powder to make sure that the lace blends with my complexion. I have on makeup, so I like to apply bronzing powder rather than foundation powder to blend everything together, because where the lace is sitting is where I have bronzer on. So yeah, I use a little bit of my bronzing powder. It's the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation Powder in Mocha. And applying that product along the lace also helps to mattify that little bit of shine that you get from applying a hairspray as your glue, or just glue in general. It kind of gets a little bit like shiny and it makes it kind of obvious that you're wearing lace. So applying a little bit of powder to it helps to like mattify it and get everything to look really natural. And now I'm going to go ahead and do some simple baby hairs, just 2 swoops along the sides where the lace from the closure and the tracks meet. I like to swoop the hair to kind of cover that transition and give like a more frontal vibe. As you can see, this is definitely giving frontal now that I've done those 2 little swoops. You can't really see where the tracks start and the lace stops. And then I'm applying my melting band again to let that set while I go ahead and press out the top and the edges of the wig to get everything nice and flat. I didn't press out all of the hair on the closure in sections how I have been lately because I wanted it to be a little bit more voluminous and your girl was in a rush. So I'm just popping on a little bit of foundation powder on an angled brush down that part to define the part. I'm using the CoverGirl Superstay 24-hour foundation powder for this part. The shade is a really long number, so I don't know what to tell y'all, but it does a really good job for one, coverage, as far as like covering up that grid look on the lace and making sure that my part matches the tone of my complexion as well. So this is what the middle part is giving. I really liked it. It's straight out of the box. I didn't even define the curls yet. It actually came with the curls looking really pretty to me. It's giving like second day curls, which I love, but I wanted to play with it a little bit more and go for like a side part vibe. I normally wear my short curly bobs in the middle part, but I wanted to try something new today. So I'm playing with my part a little bit, and for this part I'm actually going to go ahead and press it out in sections because I'm kind of placing the hair in a position that it's not used to being in. So baby, you're gonna need that hot comb nice and spicy and ready to go. I love a good curved part, so I'm doing a soft C-shaped part and I'm using my hot comb to just press that into place and get everything laying in the direction that we want it to be in before we get into the actual styling of the curls. And of course I had to put a little bit of stank on the side part swoop, okay? A deep curved side part with a good swoop, baby. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. You can't go wrong. Like, look at it. Again, I could have left the curls just like this. This wig literally came out of the pack kind of laid, okay? I'm really impressed, but it's giving very much pretty girl in the 90s wet and wavy vibes, and I'm very much so here for it. And when you're doing a wig install, baby, your melting band is your best friend. So we about to put her back on to get the side part baby hairs laid while we go ahead and define this part again with that same CoverGirl foundation powder product. And it makes a world of a difference. Now the curls are already pretty, but I just had to see what they were capable of. So I'm going ahead and moistening the hair, honey, dousing her down with my continuous spray bottle. And I'm trying a new product today to define the curls. I actually went in with the Mousse Def Mousse by The Do. Got it at Target. I've been trying new things. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm really proud of myself or whatever. And funny enough, I really did like this product, but the hold was serious. So although it came out really pretty, I'm probably gonna wait and keep this product in my arsenal for a more kinky wig. It worked great and the curls are really defined, but I just felt like the hair on this wig didn't need that much hold. But it worked like a charm, honey. The curls ain't going nowhere. So maybe next time I style this wig, I'll go ahead and use the Shea Moisture one, which is a little bit lighter of a hold. But I just worked their product all throughout the hair, and I brushed it through with this black detangling brush from Cantu that I got from Target as well. And it did a really good job of detangling the hair and clumping the curls together to get some really nice definition. And I have been a diffusing fool, honey, because I love my curly units, but it's cold outside and I'm not about to be walking outside with no wet hair. So I've been using my diffuser to make sure that my hair is nice and dry. And I've really been liking the curls that I've been getting with it. I just used my Travel Chi blow dryer and the diffuser attachment for about 20 minutes and got the curls nice and dry and cleaned up the baby hairs a little bit. This is the finished look. The curls are defined, the lace is laid, it's giving very much frontal vibes. Very sweet but spicy. Like I said, she's very much so mango habanero. What are we gonna name her? I have no clue. I have to get a feel for her, but I think I have to sit with this for a second, get a little bit more of a feel for her. But I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.